A very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for joining us in this tutorial. And in our tutorial today, we are going to learn how to make money on Coinmarketcap. Here I'm on my Coinmarketcap, and to get Coinmarketcap, you simply type coinmarketcap.com. Now, Coinmarketcap works almost the same way with CoinGecko.com. You even notice in terms of the interface here, I've just gone to CoinGecko, and that is on CoinGecko.com, available in the description of this video. You notice even the presentation of their graphics and data. If I go back to CoinMarketCap, you still notice the presentation is almost the same, and their use again is almost the same. So now, how do we make money on Coinmarketcap? To understand how Coinmarketcap works, you notice we have at the top here the cryptocurrencies, we have the exchanges, community, and all these other details. So if you come to the cryptocurrencies, you can see the cryptos. You can see the cryptos arranged in different terms. For instance, we have the ranking, we have those that have been added recently, we have categories, we have spotlight, we have the gainers and losers, all arranged here. So if you want to trade on maybe the ranking, you can click on ranking. So let's click on that and we see the ranking. You notice down here we have the Bitcoin, the price that's $40,000, and of course this is updated in real time. You notice it keeps on changing. You can see Ethereum, we have Tether, USDT, all that. That is in terms of ranking. So if you go back to cryptos, we can look for recently, and for the recently added, you notice we have Payslink, we have Sol Trading Bot, and we have the Sect Bot. So if you now look at their prices, the prices are here, and then we have other details here. We have the red ones indicate losing, and the green one indicate gaining. But if we come down to the table graph here, how you trade is, you notice like here, down here, when it was introduced, the price was 0.0005. And then if we look at a different price like here, the price was 0.01, and that also goes high here. Let's use that by ranking. Then we go to Bitcoin. So this is the data for Bitcoin. So for instance, if you come here for Bitcoin, as of December 12th, 2100, that is the time, it was at a price of 40, but just by moving slightly to 13th here of December, it was at the price of, you notice there, around 41.501. So you notice the price change there. So that means if you want to trade, you could have bought it at this price where it was at 40, and then you sell it here when it is at 41, and you have a gain of almost 1.5 gain per share. So that's how you trade. You simply buy when it's low and sell it when it's high. So let's say you want to trade for maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you'll need to use what we call PancakeSwap. Go to PancakeSwap.finance, and that link is available in the description of this video. And then you click on Connect Wallet. And if you don't have a wallet, when you click on Connect Wallet here, you will need to just create a wallet. So I'll click on Connect Wallet, and so you notice we have so many different wallets here. So maybe you can connect to your MetaMask, Binance. I personally use Coinbase wallet. So let's come back here where we need to connect our wallet. So you click on Connect Wallet at the top here, and then now you connect the wallet that you need to connect to. So we want to connect to Coinbase, and since we have already installed this one, we're just going to open it from the top here. And then to connect, you click on whichever way you want to recover your account. And remember, it's very easy to create your Coinbase wallet. You only need to have a password. So click on I agree and then click on submit. And so now we are logged in. So coming back here, we are going to click on trade here. So you click on trade at the top left corner, that is on the PancakeSwap. You click on trade at the top here, then click on buy crypto. Click on buy crypto. It will lead you here So we want to come back to, maybe we want to buy BNB. We can select the BNB here, or USDT. So let's say we want to buy BNB. So we'll go back here to our Coinmarketcap, and then you'll come down here and click on copy to clipboard. Go back to PancakeSwap, and then you click here, and then you click on buy crypto, USDT, whichever you are buying, if it's Ethereum, and then you paste it there. You notice we have Ethereum here, and you click on active. And so you'll notice now, after doing that, you can click on connect wallet, and then you select the wallet that you wanted to connect. We were using Coinbase, and then you scan here, and that will be connected to your wallet. The second way to make money on CoinMarketCap here, if we go back to CoinMarketCap, and then at the top here, we have products. You can click on products and then come to learn and earn. This is another way to make money on CoinMarketCap. So this is how it works. You'll watch videos, and then you complete a quiz, and then you earn crypto. You get rewarded in the crypto you learned about. So that's one way. So that is the second way to earn. So you can check whichever one you want to watch video on, and then you answer a quiz, and then you earn. The last way and the third way to earn also from CoinMarketCap is simply by coming to where we have the diamond here. If you click on that diamond, it will show you how many diamonds you have, and you get 10 diamonds every day. So you'll come here. By CoinMarketCap diamonds, and then you collect CoinMarketCap diamonds and redeem them for exclusive rewards and special offers. So you click on collect diamonds, and you get 10 diamonds every day. So you notice day 1, 10, day 2, 10, day 3, 10. By day 7, you have 50 diamonds. And then you can also log in the app and collect extra or additional diamonds for at least 3 times within a period of 7 days. So if you want to collect the diamonds, you click on collect diamonds down here, but you notice I've already clicked on that. So after this time, I'll be able to collect 10 more diamonds. That is after around 16 hours. So once you get these diamonds, so how do you convert them? If you come to diamond rewards on the left-hand side, top left-hand side, you notice here, this is where you can redeem your diamonds. So you notice, for instance, here you have a 50% off market cap API hobbyist plan that only goes for 200 diamonds. Remember, I have shown you I have 60, so I don't qualify for this one. But if I redeem them for the next 5 days, then I'll be having possibly enough to any of the plans here. You can look for any that you can redeem up to down here. You notice we have those that even go for 1,500 diamonds, and we have those ones that are also going for 2,000, and we have those ones that are a bit cheaper. So let's say, for instance, I have 1,000 diamonds. What I'm going to do is I can click on this one, and so with the coins you have earned, you check the one that is not yet sold out, and then you just click on that, and then you are able to get that. For instance, if I click on this one, I can get 50% off CoinMarket app hobbies plan, and this I'll do it but just using my 200 diamonds. So you can see I have converted. Instead of paying for this in cash, I'm just able to pay using my diamonds. And that is simply how you can make money on CoinMarketCap. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.